After you uploading the basic statistics, data, cities, zones and everything, you are the only one who can access to this system. You may have other staff members like managers, branch managers, riders, stuff like that. You can give some access to them also for this system. To create some users, first you need to create the user roles, because every user roles can't do everything. So first you need to create some roles and give the limited permission to that role. To create the role, first you go to the staff section and the role menu in this navigation bar. In this section you can see there are default roles assigned to this system. Let's say there are super admins, system admins, head office managers, branch managers and riders as well. Each role have their own permissions under this role. Now I selected the super admin, so all the permissions are assigned to that super admin. Let's say you have to go to the branch manager. In branch manager you can see there are no all the permissions are selected, but limited sections and permissions are selected for warehouse manager, right, like that. When it comes to riders role, he can do some very limited permissions, very limited action in the system. To create a new role, if you want some customized role, right, if you want to add some new role, you can simply click the add new button here and give some name for that role, like assistant delivery manager, and he can give only the collect operations and the destination operations as well. Like that, based on the business you can give some customized permission to that role. And you can see if you want to give some permission to all the sections, you have to just click the parent node here, and the rest of the child permission will be automatically selected. If you want to unselect that, just need to unselect that parent selection, or if you want to unselect one by one, that also possible. You can customize each and role, create new roles, edit the roles, whatever things you need to manage your business. When you are giving some permission to the roles, you have to make sure the permissions are not overlapped, right? Sometimes you may give some edit or delete permission, but you may not give the view permission. So when you are so that person cannot edit or delete without viewing that. Like that, you have to logically give that permissions to that role, so that person will not feel uncomfortable when they use in the system.